forecast for April 15th by FX Empire. The WTI crude oil market, as you can see, fell initially during the course of the day here on Thursday, but the 41-ish area offered far too much in the way of support, so we turned around and formed a hammer. There's a lot going on in the oil markets this weekend. We have the Doha meeting on Sunday, which has oil producing countries, OPEC and non-OPEC, speaking of production freezes. So perhaps the market's trying to front run that meeting a little bit, but quite frankly, we think it's been doing it for a while now. If we break above the top of the shooting star from the Wednesday session, that's a very bullish sign. 43 is the top of the resistance here. But the one thing you have to be cognizant of is the fact that this meeting may produce some type of disappointment. And if it does, this market could turn around very quickly. On the other hand, even if they get the agreement, it's likely that it might be a sell on the news type of event. It's hard to imagine that the market's going to be surprised by them doing it. Brent markets look very much the same. Forming a hammer after initially falling, pressing up against the shooting star. 46 is the top of the range above on the longer term. Again, though, this is a situation where I think there's more danger of it being disappointed. Can't imagine a production freeze being announced now that we're producing at extraordinarily high levels, making the market go into a frenzy. This has been front running, and normally when you get this far ahead of the situation, the market does sell off. At this point, though, there's no reason to buy or sell. Perhaps a little bit of profit taking could come into play today as well, though.